The ORGBRO Z3 Bluetooth label maker stands out as a compact thermal printer that handles a wide range of label widths, making it practical for everything from pantry jars to shipping packages. Its companion application offers an unusually rich set of fonts, borders, icons, and image import options, so labels can be tailored for both professional branding and neat home organization. Print quality is sharp and consistent thanks to the 203 dots per inch thermal head, which keeps barcodes, QR codes, and small text easy to scan and read. Because it uses direct thermal technology, there is no need for ink or toner, and the built-in rechargeable battery comfortably supports extended use between charges. The small screen and simple controls make it easy to check battery status, connection, and print progress, while automatic sleep settings help conserve power when the printer is idle. Support for different label shapes and materials, along with connectivity to both phones and computers, makes this a flexible tool for small businesses, classrooms, and busy households that want tidy, consistent labeling.